Have you ever noticed some charts feel almost easy, while others feel impossible? That's not your imagination. Some market conditions are simply cleaner than others. And learning to see the difference changes everything. This is the kind of chart that frustrates beginners. Price moves up, then immediately reverses. It breaks out, then fails. Every candle feels important. Every move feels like it might finally be the one. But the market isn't actually being clear here. It's indecisive. There's no strong direction, no clean momentum, no agreement. And when traders try to force trades inside this kind of movement, they usually end up emotionally exhausted. Now compare that to this. Notice how different this feels emotionally. Price has direction. The movement is cleaner. The candles are working together instead of fighting each other. This doesn't mean trends are easy, but they are easier to read. The market is behaving more clearly. And clarity matters a lot when you're learning. Most beginners think they're losing because they're bad at trading. But a lot of the time, they're trading terrible conditions. They chase every move. They react emotionally. They enter late, panic on reversals, and get chopped apart by random movement. And the worst part? This kind of market tricks you into thinking you should be able to trade it. So beginners blame themselves, instead of recognizing the environment. Here's the breakthrough most beginners never hear. You do not have to trade every chart. Professional traders avoid messy conditions all the time. They wait for cleaner movement, better structure, better probability. Because trading isn't about taking the most trades. It's about taking better ones. And sometimes the best trade is no trade. So how do traders start identifying cleaner charts more consistently? One of the biggest tools is learning support and resistance. Because those areas help traders understand where price keeps reacting and where the market may actually care. And that's exactly what we're diving into next. So if you're trying to finally make charts make sense, you're in the right place.